going to do a Nadine West unbagging. I guess it's not an unboxing, but they sent me a bag full of free stuff last month, and so I kind of feel obliged to at least stick with them another couple months before I bail on them again. I started this video, I was just like a minute or so into it, and I got a call from my granddaughter, and so that takes precedence. So I got off and talked to her for about an hour. So now I'm going to talk to you guys. So I got this Nadine West. It says I could quit shopping or give up shopping, but I'm no quitter. And you get your price list and a shipping label. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops, 3 bottoms, a dress, a necklace, and an other. I'm not sure what the other is. So this is what it looks like. So let's dump everything out. We dumped everything out. It was wrapped in tissue paper bundles, but it all kind of fell out of the bundles. Okay, I think this is the dress. Oh, yeah, I think they sent me this before. I don't like strapless dresses. I'm not going to even try this on. I'm going to keep it. I don't like strapless. It's got pockets. It's kind of cute. It's super soft. But I don't do the braless thing because I'm so chesty, and I don't like strapless either. But it's long. It looks like, it's not even a dress. It's definitely don't want it. It's a jumper, and I don't like jumpers because you have to take like if you're out in public, you have to take all your clothes off, let them like hit the ground, just go to the bathroom, because you can't like unzip and pull down. You got to take the whole thing off, just go to the bathroom. So I am not a jumper fan. It is cute if you're like jumpers and you like strapless or spaghetti strap, but that is not me. So that one, I'm not even trying it on. That's a definite no. Now this one, what's pants? Zebra leggings. Nope, too much. Up and down and sideways. But I think it's black and white. It's not navy and white. Let's see. White and black. Oh, you kind of just have to go by color because their stuff just has names like Alma and Abby and Ruth and stuff like that. Doesn't have manufacturers or anything. So these are $11.99. That's not too bad for some leggings, but these are kind of crazy leggings. I'm not sure if I would wear these or not. I have one similar to this, but it's short sleeve, and this is long sleeve, so this would be just the back. No, this is actually, I think this is the front. I've been wanting one with this kind of stuff in the front instead of the back, unless it goes down too low. And it's super, super soft. It's long sleeved. Looks like it's, let's see, is it a high-low? No, not really. It's not a high-low. Might come down too far for me. We'll see. It's so soft. That's one thing I like about Nadine West is their stuff is always so soft. Here's some more leggings and just, oh, it's a t-shirt. Never mind. I lied. It's just a plain old t-shirt. Just a plain old V-neck t-shirt. Let's see. Heather gray. $24.49. And this, no. I could get this at Walmart for like $6. Nope. Not gonna do it. Now this is kind of cute, but it's sleeveless, and it's the wrong, it's getting the wrong time of year for that. It's like a, or maybe this one's the one that's $24.99. So there's 2 gray ones. Oh, this one's charcoal. This one's actually cheaper. It's $20.89. It's cute with the little pocket and everything, but I'm trying to get fall stuff, and this is summery with the, I mean, it's a darker color, so it kind of fall colors, but it's sleeveless, so I don't know. Well, what's the thought behind that? Oh, these are some crazy pants. I don't wear brown ever, so I wouldn't have anything to wear with this except maybe black. I don't like brown up by my face because I'm like brown skin, brown hair, brown eyes, brown everything. I don't like brown on me. So if it's in the bottom half, maybe just wear them with black. I don't know. Let's see. These are mocha, they're calling them. They're $11.99, like the zebra ones. There's a headband. I don't like headbands. They're too tight on my fat head. Ugh. They give me a headache because they're tight right here. It's kind of cute, but I would never wear it. It's cloth covered hard plastic, and it's too pokey on the head. I've tried some headbands when I first started growing my hair out at Shop Miss A, but I ended up giving them all away because I'm not a headband girl. It's $11.99 for the headband. And another spaghetti strap. Ugh, why do they send these to me? I think I've told them before I don't like them, won't wear them. Nope. So I'm not real gung-ho about any of this so far. These are more like black pants, like jeggings. Yeah, that front's cute. They look like black, but in the picture in the camera they look like more gray. But that's a really cute front. I wonder how much these are. These are cute. Oh, there it is. $40. Whew, they're cute, but $40. I don't know. They look kind of small too, but they are really stretchy, so they might fit. Well, we'll try them on and see. But these are really cute, but I'm not sure I want to spend $40 on them. But they are really cute. And last piece of clothing. Another sleeveless one. It's got that crisscrossy front, which is cute, but I don't want, or is that a back? I guess that's the front. But I don't want sleeveless. It's, if this was May, I'd be all over some of this stuff, but it's almost September, so no. And here's a little piece of jewelry. They always come in these little cute pink bags. Oh, that gray one. $23.99. Let's see what this is. That's all tangled up into a big wad. Not sure I can get it untangled enough to even show you what it looks like. Oh, I see how it goes. It's supposed to be, okay, I get it. Part of it is not tangled up. That's how it's supposed to be. This part's tangled up. But it's supposed to look like, I think it's supposed to go like that. But then this part's a big wadded up mess. Takes some doing to get it untangled. I think some of this is supposed to hang, like this piece right here is supposed to hang down here. And this is supposed to be, that piece is not supposed to be there, I think. It's supposed to just be the necklace part hangs from these two hooks, and then this hangs down. But this piece, there's a piece that's tangled up in this mess. But I don't know, it's pretty tangled. It would take some doing to get this undone, that's for sure. Well, I know you don't want to watch me try and untangle this thing. It is called Junia, and it's $20. It's kind of cute, but I don't know if I've got the, I don't know if I've got the wherewithal or strength or energy or whatever to untangle it. So Nadine West is, when you first start getting it, you get like maybe 4 or 5, and then the longer you do it, the more items you get. As you can see, I got quite a few items. And it's $9.78 shipping, and then if you buy anything, that $9.78 comes off of whatever you buy. And if it's you're a first-time person, they have this deal going on where for $5 you can get, or no, it's for $10. That's what it is. For $10, you can get a $50 gift card. So for $10, you get $50 off your first order. I can't do it for me because it's only for first-time users, or I'd be all over that. I'd be buying a bunch of them $10 things, but it's only for first-time users. So if you're considering Nadine West, now's the time, because they've got this deal going on where you spend $10 to get the $50 gift card. And usually I think it's the first time the shipping's free, so that'd be a pretty good deal. So if you're considering it, they always have everything in it so soft. Like, I really like these. They're super soft, but I just don't want strapless. The only one, if these fit, I really like them, but they're $40. But they're really cute. And it's got like kind of a orange stitching on it, which is got some little, I'd have to cut those off. Little G-jaws on it. I don't want this. I know I don't want these two because they're strapless. Pretty sure I don't want this. This is strapless also. It's cute, but it's strapless. So I don't think I want that. This is Walmart quality for $24. No. This one maybe. It's super soft, and it is a winter, more fall looking one. So that's a maybe. So these are the two maybes, just looking at it without trying anything on. This is kind of crazy, but it might be a maybe. I have to find a black shirt to try it on with. And then the dress is a definite no. Not even gonna, well, not dress. It's a jumper thing. I'm not even gonna try that one on. So I will try some of this on for you. Even the ones I got hair on my face. I've got black pants, or just jeans on. No, I don't have black pants on. I have jeans on. So I will try the tops on with the jeans. And then I'll find a black top or something to try the pants on with. So I will be back. This was way too clingy. This thing came up too high on my neck. So this is a no. This was cute. It actually wasn't too clingy, but kind of had big armholes, so my bra showed, but that wasn't the main reason. It's because it's a summery top, and I don't want summer weight stuff. This was spaghetti strap. I mean, it fit okay. Wasn't too clingy. The color is really pretty. Like the color on me. But I just don't do spaghetti straps, and the armpits were kind of big too. So this wasn't, plus it's summery, and I'm trying to get fall stuff, so that's a no. This was just a Walmart type shirt for like 20 something bucks, and so, and it was way, it says it's a 2X, but it was way too small. This was another spaghetti strap one, or not spaghetti strap, but sleeveless, and it had that same kind of there where this, to get this high enough to not show my bra, that this strap had to be really high on my neck. So I didn't like that either. I like this better than I thought I would, but I'm pretty wild and crazy, but these two are a little too wild and crazy even for me. Don't wear headbands. This necklace was okay, but I don't think it's worth untangling. These were way too tight. Plus, the pretty part of it, I don't usually wear shirts tucked in, so the part that I liked, you know, this, oh, there's dog hair all over this. I don't want to send it back to them with dog hair on it. This part, it wouldn't show because I don't wear stuff tucked in, because it just makes, and plus this was so tight it pushed all my belly flab up. So those were really cute, but no. This I didn't even try on. Would never, ever, ever wear this. I don't wear this type of clothing at all, ever. So it was an all around no. So it'll give me a chance to experiment with my, where I'm trying to do the picture-in-picture thing. So we'll see if that works, see if I can get it to work. And I've got a, I ordered this, something you might consider. I don't know if you've heard of Nelly Attired. They were a subscription service, and they're going out of business, but they've got some where they'll send for $39 plus $10 shipping, so basically $49. They'll send you $150 minimum worth of clothes, but it's, you bought it, you keep it kind of thing, because they're going out of business. So I thought, what the heck, it's only 50 bucks. So I'm going to see what they send me. So I've got that coming, and my D&Co that I accidentally bought's on its way. So that's coming. So we'll have some more clothes to try on real soon. If you like unboxings, so please subscribe. Love to have you. Give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff, and we'll talk to y'all real soon.